Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Tesla Model 3 using its keycard. First, make sure your vehicle is unlocked. You can unlock it by tapping the keycard against the B-pillar, which is the post between the front and rear doors on the driver's side. Once unlocked, enter the car and prepare to place the keycard in its designated spot. This method is reliable if your phone key isn't working or if you prefer a physical key. Once inside your Tesla, locate the keycard reader. This is typically found on the center console, just behind the cup holders and below the main touchscreen. Gently place your keycard flat on this designated area. You should hear a chime or see a confirmation on the screen indicating that the vehicle has recognized the keycard. This step is crucial for the car to register your presence and allow you to drive. With the keycard in place and recognized, press the brake pedal firmly. You will then be able to shift the car into drive or reverse. Use the stalk located on the right side of the steering column to select your desired gear. Once you've shifted, you can remove the keycard from the console if you wish, or leave it there. Your Tesla is now fully operational and ready for your journey. If your Tesla doesn't start immediately, try adjusting the keycard's position on the console. Sometimes, interference from other items or improper placement can prevent recognition. Also, ensure your car's 12-volt battery is not depleted, as this can affect starting. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners and other great deals to keep your ride fresh. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.